Tonight, I think what we're going to do is cook a Wagyu for you guys and show you how you make Wagyu perfect.
Alright.
Wagyu is a really nice piece of steak that comes from Japan. Because them feed it specifically in a certain region, certain blah 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 blah. So the thing look nice, fresh, sweet. So, me and Sergio, you guys know Sergio.
Like some uptown thing, my boy, I do. Big up yourself, James, yo. Uptown steak. Alright. I'll say it frozen.
Wagwan squad.
Wagwan. Wagwan James. Nice.
As you guys know, I am the biggest chef you've ever seen on YouTube. So me and Sergio, I'll tell them,
Wagwan squad.
having a cook-off today. Who can cook the better steak? So you know for a fact it's going to be me. Forward and watch, isn't it?
Alright, a strip line. Nice.
Steak no look so you know that.
After the bougie steak. Uptown steak.
That's crazy.
This is Google Food talking to. And this is James like look at this shit.
Yeah, you don't want us to join top lodge.
Not yet.
Lie.
So
Lovely.
finally season the cuisine.
Yeah, we'll see season.
Garlic,
Mad.
thyme,
Yeah.
onion powder, pepper, roasted garlic and herb, garlic salt, and black pepper.
Yes, all of those to try and make it.
Watch what he utilizes.
Bro, I'm a steak chef, you know. This man thinks he's gonna trick me. So bad.
Right there, funny now.
What?
Yeah.
No, that's them one.
Cause with steak you don't really need much. Just the salt alone. And a little black pepper.
That tastes good still. Bro, let's be honest. Here's olive oil. Butter as well.
Nice.
Nice.
Not much.
Some butter. Yes. James, a heart attack you try give people.
I promise you guys.
Enough butter that.
I would agree.
Yeah, you put the butter in before the pine's hot. People from James, the man who used the little
Do you think I would, bro? Do you think I would ever cook?
hopefully the wife will be like, oh, they'll be like, hey, you want a girl for the kids?
Hopefully, the wife will cook for me.
Well, that's when you get one.
Not too. Bro, I don't do cooking. I earn the money.
You want me to
Man.
get a trick for your steak?
Bro, I'm never going to cook another steak.
Okay, but do you want me to get a
James, don't say that.
Bro,
James, may I tell you this? From a yardie to a next yardie and a yardie where they're Canada, where no food can cook and thing, trust me, girls love a man. Love a man who can cook. So nobody say, boy, you're not going to cook a next steak. If anything, James, if you start get some lessons and practice, come I tell you, dog. You know you're going to want a wife to cook for you, trust me. One way forget any girl off of the road anyway there, make her know say you can cook or she say all about two cooking recipe on your channel. Dog, the one of them are going to line up in your DM, in the YouTube, on your phone. Yo, take few classes. Don't doubt yourself, youth.
You mean scam? Bro, I can't.
Alright.
Alright guys, so this is actually how you cook Wagyu steak. I promise you, if you look on the internet, it's how everybody does it. Well done.
everybody except James. But he didn't make us serious, like, can't tell you that.
Oh bro, and if I had my spoon, I'd be putting...
Yeah.
And spit it like that, man. Oh, look at that little sear. Yo. Okay, coming out well.
Drop in the comments so you can stay well done, medium rare,
Yeah, make me know.
Why pan the rear there? Why pan the rear there? Anyway, when it comes to steak, I like mine, would I say medium well. Yeah, medium well, cause well done to me you don't really get to enjoy the actual steak and the taste and all that, but I mean the rare thing. Pause. And we don't want nothing with no blood in that.
No, I don't like that.
Make me know.
Look at that, people. Look at that. All hungry of the story.
Alright.
Get that close up. That is what you call a perfect Wagyu, bro.
Not looking bad.
Look at what we give Jay. That's the size of Jay. No, now we get facility cook my quad bomb.
Yeah, I would say that.
What do you think of that Wagyu? I think that up. Yo, he just don't know how to make steak, guys. And don't know how to make it. Alright.
Black pepper. People, Wagyu already has a lot of flavor. You don't need to OD.
Alright. Yeah, nice. Mad. I like that.
Sorry, not for sure.
This garlic right here.
I'm not fresh as powder.
Chef, I'm an idiot too. Oh, you don't do that how I did it?
Never. Onion powder.
Okay, nice. Oh yeah, enough salt that's in there, dog. 'Cause all them powder things that come with salt already, you know. Yes.
The steak, based on a lot of salt and
Yeah.
moisture, everything you have to be lost. We're going to share the steak right now.
Alright, we'll show you that. Come on.
Reverse it. So one side is going to be on and the other side with the side. That's going to make it cook cheap.
Did you do the whole thing one time?
Yeah. Just some onion pan and grill. Nice one.
Alright, I'm gonna go all out, man. Big up yourself, youth. Mad, yeah.
I won't give you a tip. If you don't want the butter to burn, but you still want butter flavor,
Hey.
just put a little butter in the olive oil.
Oi, big up James Bridget. Him actually know what I do. Cause I see the man say, oh, drop a little bit of olive oil and thing, and not this whole butter like James I do. Cause James look like him that try to kill people, raise the cholesterol.
Oh, yeah. That's the dagger bird.
Yo, big up yourself, you.
Not burning.
Yeah,
Well, involved with the olive oil.
a real chef now.
Don't want to see it. So that's
Watch out.
Right.
Come on.
Here, one steak.
Nice. That look good now. Yo, James, you need to come pay attention.
Olive here and
Yo, a real chef this man. James, you need to make him teach a couple recipe, you know, so you can impress the girl them. Yo, that look bad. Not gonna lie. Would I sample that? Yo, big up yourself, you. That look bad. Mad. That look good, man. That look juicy. Pause.
butter, guys. This is
Nice. That look good, you know. Man, throw the thing on the grill now with the onion them.
So is this
Man, I
going
go
to be medium rare? Or is this going to
Why on the rear? Why?
This looks good.
Pause on the rear.
So you really think yours is going to be better than mine?
From the way the man deal with it, yeah.
Pause it right here. Guys, let us know in the comments right now who's going to win in this taste competition. Me or sir? Or you?
I'm not gonna lie, James, your brethren, him, when you want to end that yet, I'm gonna say, yo, him win already, cause, yo, the man know him I do, man. Cause the man I go all out with the onion them on the grill and thing, and then him just do a sear, and I finish the steak off on the grill. Dog, man, bad. You know him I do. What's up, man?
Man, they really a chef now.
Oh, you taste test now. You know me not get to taste it. Yo! Alright, people. I'm not gonna lie now. James. Just by just looking at here, and obviously I'm not get to taste it, man. I get to look on it like everybody else, you know. But James, I'm not gonna lie now, dog. You need some lessons from your brethren, car. Dog, what is this? What is this, dog? No man, understand why I'm getting that little piece there. Pause. Yo, dog, big up yourself, car. Yo, that steak that look good. But I mash it up right now just by itself, like real talk. Anyway, you need to teach James some couple lessons on cook some steak, just the basics. You see me I say, when I get a girl, you know, you think the girl that gonna want to eat cook all the time like James? You have to be able to chef it up in the kitchen for them too, you know, dog, get them wet. See me I say, dog. But anyway, big up on yourself, yo. Continue.
But it's still so soft and juicy.
You're the man.
Tastes good. Have a little pink in it, man. Boy, delicioso.
Why never slice it up?
Man, nervous now. Looks like if I want to cook for my girl, what do you?
No, big up yourself, James.
No, the water get ugly.
Yeah. It's a chef, man. Oh, big up yourself, dog. Yeah, that's perfect. I like that, yeah. Okay, I said add a little more salt then. Okay.
Yeah, the Wagyu onion.
It's actually gonna schmooze. See that piece out with a piece on ya? Alright.
Nice.
You don't have to taste this. Alright.
Wagyu onion.
Yeah, mad.
You eat onion? Oh. That can go on? You need it by a little bit, right? No. This one different. Yeah, you got nervous and then said no.
Oh, bro, what about tonight?
I could just do that your own was.
You want
Yeah, if you give a review to you know. Can you use Spanish? But
Yo, big up yourself, youth. Big up yourself. I like them kind of content, yeah.
We have a lot of it, bro. We need to look it up.
alright, squad. So you saw we did a cook off. I beat him clearly by miles and miles.
Like this.
Boy, James.
Yo, guys, I showed you how not to cook a steak, and Sarju showed you how to cook a steak.
Yo, top lodge. James, big up yourself. Big up your family on the channel. Everything, yo. Like I said, from a yardie to our next yardie. Keep doing what you're doing. Keep inspiring. Keep dropping content. And don't listen to the haters. Like we're saying in Jamaica, out of one, many people. And yeah, man, respect for letting me do the review on this, on you cooking, on how not to cook steak. And then your friend showing how to cook steak. But anyway, I enjoyed it. Hope everybody enjoyed it too. And remember, guys, go over to Top Lodge, like, share, and subscribe. And let them know Rory from the Rustic Cook sent you. And have a good one, guys. Big up yourself, James. Alright, out. Peace.